Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. It's revision time and the topic for today is types of poetry. Now this topic does get a lot of mention in the textbook. We are definitely going to cover a few entries. Well, this is page number 2 of the SSC, the 10th Standard English Medium textbook, and this is your assignment. Well, let me make it in a full screen. A moment. Yeah, there you go. Now I recommend sincerely that you pause the video at this point, try to do it on your own, and only when you are done should you resume the video. Alright, so I'm assuming that you had paused the video and you are now ready for the answers. Alright, so I'm going to display the answers. Now, here you go. The answers are right there. So, a long story poem, often mythical, is epic. The Ramayana and Mahabharata would be great examples. A short story poem with a message is a ballad. A poem of 14 lines is a sonnet. A song-like poem is lyric. Fifth one, a poem with no uniformity of rhyme or rhythm, etc. is a free verse. Remember, there's a topic on our channel. What is free verse and blank verse? Watch that as well, okay? A poem set in the picturesque rustic background, rural setup basically, is known as idyll. Remember the pronunciation, idyll. That's how you are going to say that. A sad poem lamenting death of a loved one is an elegy. Look at the spelling, Elegy. Next one, a 5-line short funny poem with rhyme scheme AABBA. That's a limerick. Last, of course, a poem written just to create humor. No prizes for guessing that. The one option remaining, which is humorous. Let me know if you got them all correct. Please be honest. Hopefully you got them all right. And please leave your comments. We will meet again soon with another topic. Remember, there is a separate playlist for the revision. Okay, will help you for sure. We'll meet again soon. Take care.